Hey everyone, this is Lol already from Abstract Music Lab, and I'm back to the sound design series. Today we're working on a lead, and it's inspired by Rüfüs the Soul, and it sounds like this. This is... Now if you want to listen to it in context... Pretty nice lead, right? And if you want to hear how you can make this bass over here, you can go to the tutorial right over here and you can see how we made this bass as well. But today we're gonna do this preset over here as I showed you today. This preset was taken from the FurCloud Vital preset pack for Production Music Live, which is available here in the description below. And as usual, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the sound design channel. But let's get down to business and let's get started with the sound design. So we're gonna initialize the preset here in Vital. And today we're gonna just use one voicing, but we're gonna do a lot of stuff to make it a little bit more wobbly. So the first thing that we're gonna do is put two voices and the detune to 2%. So you can see that it already creates a little bit of stereo imaging in the sound. Now, what we're also gonna do, and this is going to make the sound a little bit more wobbly, we're gonna go here to LFO 1. We're gonna put it here to 1/4. There you go. And we're gonna put this over here with shift, so it goes bipolar. And we're gonna put this here to around 0.6. And it's not going to change anything because we're going to have to assign something to the wave morph. And we're going to assign over here bend. And you can see it already creates some sort of wobbliness in the sound, right? The second thing that we're going to do here, we're going to start and add an analog 12 dB filter. And it sounds like this. We're going to put this here to 414 Hertz. And if your setting is with semitones, just go here to advanced and put the frequency units to Hertz instead of semitones. And then you're gonna go here and again, 416. Now this is going to go over here to around 2.8, the drive. The resonance is gonna remain here at 50%. And we're going to do quite some changes over here. So we're going to start here. The first change is going to be, we're going to assign the envelope 1 to the cutoff over here. And shaping the envelope 1, we're going to put this over here to 0.085, so something like this. The decay is going to go to 816, something like this. The sustain is going to go to 700. And the release is going to go to 1.1 seconds. Now we're going to assign this in a modulation of 45, and it sounds like this. Now there's also another thing that we're gonna do. We're gonna pick this random, so we don't want the sound to be the same all the time. So we're gonna pick the random over here, purling 1/4. We're just gonna assign this over here to the cutoff, and it's going to be to 15. So you can see that it never is the same, it's always random. The second modulation that we're gonna assign to this sound, we're gonna go here to LFO 2. We're gonna pick here drunk. And we're gonna shape it a little bit differently. So we're gonna pick this over here, put it all the way down. This one is also going to go a little bit down. This one is going to go a little bit down, and this one even further down. This one also a little bit like this, and this one a little bit higher. So basically we're gonna assign this over here to the pitch, and it's going to be at around 0.06 as well. So essentially this is going to create some wobbliness in the tune of the sound. Let's intensify this so you can hear it better. Can you see how it wobbles the sound? So essentially that's what it is. 0.06. Now, back on track, we're gonna go here to the effects section. In the effects, we're gonna use EQ first. After the EQs, you're gonna use chorus. After the chorus, you're gonna use delay. And after delay, we're gonna use reverb. And that's essentially it. So EQ1, we're just going to do one thing. We're going to go here and do this. And we're also going to do this at around 145. So just putting this, just cutting the low end a little bit. Now chorus, we're going to add a little bit of chorus into the sound. It's going to be 16, 4-1. We're not going to change anything over here. Not going to change anything over here. Just the mix that is going to go down to 30%. You can see how this opens up the sound. So before, really nice, right? And now delay, we're gonna go here and assign 1/8 mono. Everything's gonna remain the same, just the mix that is gonna go down to 20%. Now second, we're gonna assign here reverb, and we're gonna leave essentially everything as it is. Size to 60%. The time is going to go to 2.4, and the mix also to around 60%. So you can see how it wobbles a lot. And now if we listen to it in context, well, Leo, what is the MIDI? I didn't check the MIDI before, but this is essentially what the MIDI is playing. And that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you liked it, you can grab the preset pack available here in the description below. The FairCloud Vital preset pack, available with 70 presets for Vital. And as usual, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you soon in the next sound design channel video. This is Leo already from Abstract Music Lab. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.